Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today's video dives into a common problem faced by laptop users, specifically those with a brand new ThinkPad e16 Gen 2 running Ubuntu 4.0 1.1 LTS. The issue at hand revolves around difficulties with the laptop's Suspend function, which turned out to be related to the Wake on LAN feature of the LAN adapter. While troubleshooting this problem, another curiosity emerged: the utilization of the e1000e driver for the Ethernet controller, prompting the question of why a seemingly outdated driver was being used instead of a more modern alternative. In addressing the solution, it's crucial to understand that the choice of the e1000e driver is not arbitrary, but rather a result of the laptop's hardware configuration. The use of the e1000e driver is dictated by the presence of an Intel Ethernet interface in the system, a standard driver for Intel's embedded gigabit Ethernet NSEs. Contrary to the notion that the e1000e driver is outdated and reserved for VMs, it remains a prevalent choice for modern Intel i2-19 series NCs, providing consistent support due to the stability and compatibility of the underlying hardware technology. Expanding on the solution, it's important to highlight that both the e1000e and the Realtek R8169 drivers, despite their age, continue to serve as primary drivers for Ethernet controllers in many systems. The efficiency and effectiveness of these drivers are not solely determined by their age, but rather by their ability to fulfill the requirements of the respective hardware configurations. In the context of virtual machines, the preference for alternative drivers often stems from performance considerations related to device emulation, rather than intrinsic limitations of the e1000e or R8169 drivers. In conclusion, understanding the rationale behind the selection of drivers for Ethernet controllers sheds light on the nuanced interplay between hardware compatibility and driver functionality. The utilization of the e1000e driver in the ThinkPad e16 Gen 2 laptop is a reflection of its Intel Ethernet interface, emphasizing the importance of aligning driver choices with underlying hardware specifications. We hope this information has been insightful and helpful. Remember to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay curious, stay informed, and happy exploring.